Stop wasting time searching for your favorite shows. Here's how to share your Max watchlist with friends safely in 3 quick steps. Welcome to Sleek Guides. Today, we're breaking down the official way to share your streaming library without compromising your account security. With the recent changes to Max's sharing policy, informal password sharing is out. Instead, Max now offers a dedicated extra member feature. Step 1. Log into your primary Max account on a web browser. Head to your profile settings to manage your sharing options. Look for the Extra Member section. This allows you to add one person outside your household for a monthly fee, giving them their own unique login. This is the safest method because your friend gets their own password. You never have to share your primary credentials. Step 2 is using the profile transfer tool. This is how your friends can migrate their existing watch list to their new independent account. Simply select the profile you want to move. Max will transfer their curated watch list, viewing history, and even their personalized settings automatically. The best part? Their recommendation engine data stays intact, so they won't lose their personalized for you suggestions. Step 3. Send the official invite link. Once they accept, they'll have full access to their own stream while keeping your primary account data private. Always avoid third-party recovery services or unofficial sharing apps. These are major security risks that can lead to account theft. These steps apply to your own account and the official Max app only. For direct support, visit max.com/help. To recap, use the extra member add-on, transfer profiles to keep watch lists, and never share your main password. Following these official steps ensures a seamless viewing experience for your friends while keeping your personal data protected. If this guide helped you, hit the subscribe button for more high-value tech tutorials from Sleek Guides. I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe to Sleek Guides for more quick and easy tech tips.